all. Today welcome to my YouTube channel Science Affair, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more updates on social awareness and mental health issues. Today in COVID-19 series, I'm doing a series kind of videos. So today COVID-19 series, I come up with so many good ideas for your well-being, for your physical health, for your mental health, or your physical and mental health correlated issues. So today the topic which I am going to cover in COVID-19 series is your fitness regime. Fitness regime basically doing at home. Every people are not having so many resources, so there are basic regime that is called yoga and meditation, so that you can perform at home very easily. The other part of the video is containing the pregnancy issues. Like I have seen so many issues I'm hearing on social media as well. The pregnant ladies have so many kind of issues regarding with coronavirus infection. So I'll not be late on my issues, and I'll definitely cover major issues, and I'll start to giving more information to you regarding more educational stuff, which will definitely help to provide you give basic information stuff in a very knowledgeable manner. So the first thing which I'm going to cover in my video is yoga. Friends, as you know, we are during this pandemic, we are quarantined inside the house. So inside the house, we are not having more environmental exposure. We are not having more exposure to the social societies. We are not having exposure to many of the really routine activities which you were doing every day outside. So definitely your fitness is affecting, and your stress level is also increasing one or the other way. The stress level is basically till this much time, nobody can be locked up inside the house. So these things is actually, the lockdown is actually helpful for your well-being, but the thing is, people start developing issues in stress level. That stress and anxiety has to be covered up with basic exercises, whether it is related to yoga, related to meditation. What yoga actually brings you? Yoga is basically a mind-body interrelated platform. So it's a mind-body interaction exercises. So yoga, whenever you do yoga, definitely you have to come up in taking two issues together, that is physical health and your mental well-being. That two issues together is created by yoga. Yoga is actually a one platform which gives you more insight regarding your stress, regarding your anxiety, and improved your fitness in each and every sense. So what yoga basically does? What yoga does, when you do a yoga, you have to do so many body exercises as well as mind related activities regarding your breathing control and regarding your asanas. Yoga basically constitutes of so many postures and asanas. Yoga, like posture, basically your heart, your body exercises, your body movements, different kind of posture by the body, like by your hand, by your legs, by your spine. Like spine is the most important part in your body. It controls your motor neurons, it controls your motor activity. What exactly is motor activity? Like this term is really new for few people who are watching my video. So motor and sensory is actually the two parts of our body. Sensory is like what kind of, for example, taste, we get taste in something, we have touch, we have some kind of smell. That kind of senses are called sensory. Some are motor reflexes. For example, if you slap somebody, you want to do some exercise, you go from here to there. So such kind of reflex movement, when you are getting burned by some fire, definitely you escape your head from there, or you escape your body from there. That is a reflex action. That is called a motor activity by your body. So spine is basically covering your sensory and motor activity together. So spine yogas, neck yogas are very important to make your strength and flexibility in the body. What posture actually does inside the yoga? It increases your strength, it increases your stamina, it increases your flexibility of the body to perform well in other physical exercises as well. There are one other part that is called asanas. Asanas is having a kriya. Kriya is basically, in Hindi you can say it kriya. The asanas basically what it does, it helps in your boosting your immunity status, boosting your health status. So what exactly happening? For example, is a very basic asana of yoga people are trying nowadays. I'm seeing in social media and everywhere. It is called pranayam. Pranayam is a very basic yoga. It actually helps to boosting your immune strength. It makes your body more vulnerable to so many. It makes your body more strong and more boosting regarding your physical effects. So pranayam is a one very basic yoga. There are different kind of yogas which are actually helpful in different kind of mental and physical well-being purposes. So basically I told you yoga brings physical and mental platforms together. That is very important. If you are fit by your physical health and your mental health, definitely you will be succeed in each and every situation. Your consciousness, your stress level, your anxiety if less, then your conscious will be more and you will be more active in other activities as well. So this, basically what yoga does, it helps to remove your stress, your anxiety and make your body relax. Similarly, in yogas there are different kinds of breathing practices. Breathing practices are also very important. What breathing actually does, it makes a rhythm in your body. It makes your lungs, it makes your neck, it makes your nasal cavity and your lungs capacity more. What happens actually, this breathing exercises, it control your body and it quiet your mind, it relaxes your mind. So the breathing exercises, asanas and different kind of posture yogas are very helpful to combat stress during this COVID-19 pandemic. Basically in everyday home or generally in life, like whatever I am seeing social media nowadays, I have seen so many queries people are having regarding stress level in COVID, because at home people are actually dealing with so many stress. It's not about the household stuff, it's like about the disease also. It's like the children will not get the disease, the other person in the family will not get the disease. So this kind of stress level is very difficult to combat because these are not physical. This is all your mental well-being is getting affected. So for that, yoga, relaxation exercises, meditation exercises are very important. Meditation, what it does, it calms your body, it relaxes your mind. When your mind is relaxed and your body and your thinking ability is calm and you are in a calm, very for example, you tell you in a very peaceful environment or you are in a very peaceful behaviors, then definitely you will excel well. You try to understand others as well. You try to create awareness also. That is also very important aspect. So meditation is a very important part and we have to definitely do such kind of exercises to combat with stress issues, anxiety issues and all such kind of physical well-being and mental issues. So what actually yoga does, in a very small and concluded way I can say, it removes your anxiety, it makes you relax, it actually brings all your physical and mental well-being together. It tries to make you calm, it tries to make you more active, it tries to make you more conscious, it improves your fitness. As if like our PMO of India has created some movement some days back, as you were hearing, like Fit India movement. So that is also a very important thing, and yoga is actually a basic prospect and aspect of Fit India. Like nowadays people are not going outside, people are actually trying to become more household stuff. For example, people are trying to do yogas and meditations, as well as people are trying to use so many kind of household Ayurvedic formulation, like from your turmeric, from your milk, from your ginger, from your garlic. So such kind of issues are also happening, and that are very helpful for the future coming days, because in future coming days we are definitely going to deal with so many challenges which will affect your well-being also, and the person and the family which is staying with you, that is also getting affected by your stress level. So please make sure, be calm and try to include such kind of meditation and yoga practices in your everyday routine life. So you will be more conscious, you will be more relaxed, you will be more stress relieving in a stress relieving behavior. So definitely it will help you and it will help others also in your surroundings. I hope the yoga version you really liked it, and definitely you will try to include it in your daily routine and regime. The other part of my videos containing pregnancy issues. Right now, these days I am seeing social media is flooded with some kind of issues that are related to pregnancy. Pregnancy is basically the pregnant mother is having so many kind of issues, so many kind of worries. The worry is about the child, and that is very normal, that is very obvious for a mother. So the mother is having issues like whether the child is getting contaminated or contagious with mic, or if the mother is corona positive, or the child is getting such symptoms through the mother. So these kind of issues and these kind of questions are very common. As I have read, till now we have not reported, even I have seen so many case reports from USA, India, UK and some other different countries, major countries, but I have not seen any big report and any suitable, you can say some justified document that is actually mentioning about pregnancy effects. But I definitely say these pregnancy effects will not affect the pregnancy lady, these corona effects, because the thing is, whenever you have see such issues, you will also get curious, and because of the curiousness you will try to make more you can say more kind of helpful advices. For example, you have tried to consult your physician also. The thing is, I have read one report from UK that have mentioned whenever such issues are happening, there are very mild flu symptoms, some fever, little bit fever, some headache and some kind of nausea feeling is there. That is also very basic in pregnancy, normal pregnancy issues. So these issues can be overlap also with corona and pregnancy issues. So try to overcome with it, try to talk to your physician, try to talk to your consult with a doctor. And right now, like I told you, I have seen so many reports, but I am not finding any evidence or any data according to it. But probably in the future, if you find any report, then there is a little bit of probability that from the mother the virus will transmit it to the baby. But that also you can't differentiate. But after birth, if the baby will be corona positive, that is also overlapping, and it is very difficult to differentiate in a biological way, in medical way, like the child got infection through mother or it got after birth. So that is also a very crucial and very sensitive topic to talk right now, because there is no much evidence. I can't give a surety about this issue, but definitely if I'll get to know something, I'll definitely come up with full proof report to you and giving you more insight into this topic. The more important thing I want to say, like you heard in corona, where the children below 10 years of age and the older age people above 60 years are more vulnerable to the disease, are more prone to the disease. Similarly, the pregnant lady age groups, this also is very much prone to the disease. The most important way you can follow the normal quarantine rules which normal people are following, you should also follow that. Try to do more social distancing, reduce social contact with the people. Even in your family also, you try to maintain some kind of distance and contact, because the thing is, you never know what kind of infection you get, whether it's the very normal flu infection, but it can overlap with your pregnancy infection as well. So definitely try to overcome with it. Try to consult a physician to boost your immunity. I know the stress level is more because of the pregnancy also, and the situation which is going on right now in the world, that is also creating stress level inside the pregnancy. So such kind of issues and such kind of problems you can overcome with what you can do, you try do some pregnancy yogas. There are some different kind of style in pregnancy yogas also. That pregnancy yogas will definitely help to boost your stamina. It will help you boost your immunity, and it will definitely help to relieve your stress, your anxiety. It makes you more calm. So your this anxiety symptoms, generally in pregnancy you will get more anxiety symptoms. If this anxiety symptoms will be lost, you will be able to think more, and you will be more careful about the baby and about your health also. What you can do, definitely that question coming in your mind, that how I can do pregnancy yogas and all. There are different kind of yogas on the online web portals. You can search and do, and because right now we can't go out, and you can talk to some yoga therapist online, and that also that can help you for minimizing such anxiety level and effects. So in pregnancy way, I definitely want to conclude in some few lines, like yes, you are the prone group. I'm telling you, definitely you can't say like now we are not getting cases, but future we don't know. Still we are facing today in India there are 85,000 cases. So you never know the situation, what will be the future scenario and what will be the future strain and what will be the future corona problems coming in. So definitely try to talk to your physician, try to talk to your gynecologist, and try to maintain some kind of distance and social contact should be reduced by other people as well. And do one thing, try to, as I told you, that yoga and bit kind of meditation will not include so many exercises and all, so that your body will also be fit. Try to do some kind of meditation practices as well. That will also help you to boost your immunity and is actually keep you away from any kind of infection which is coming to you. If your immune system is well enough, then you definitely combat with such issues. So I really hope the pregnancy ladies, the pregnancy group and even the normal group also will try to find it more interesting, such issues, and try to start in your daily routine life. In the next COVID-19 series, I'll definitely try to come up with some more good issues which we have to come up with in our daily routine life, and will definitely incur and will definitely combat with such issues in the future, and will make you more stressful and relieved in such pandemic situation. So thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's very important for me and for you also, for getting some kind of good stuff to you. So definitely please help everybody, help each other, spread awareness, and try to share this video more so people will also get more awareness about yoga, meditation and pregnancy issues. Thank you everyone.